Hi guys, how are you today? This is Joyce from Ringpack. Welcome to our channel. Custom stand-up pouch are getting more and more accessible in our daily life. It can show the characteristic of the product and promote our brand. But do you have any confusions on what should we know when we customize the stand-up pouch? Follow me, let's show you. First one, the material. The material of the mailer bags has a great influence on the surface effect of the bag. We can help you make the bag in matte, glossy, soft touch, hologram, craft paper, UV effect, and so on. Secondly, size and capacity. The size of the product determines how many items the bag can hold. Take the cannabis bag as example. It has sizes for 1 gram, 3.5 grams, 7 grams, 14 grams, 28 grams, and 1 pound. If you want to know how big the bag should be, please take a ruler to measure the packages you want around you, then you can get the figures. And the number 3, zippers. We can help to make the bag with double zipper, child-proof zipper, carbon zipper, easy tear zippers, and so on. If you want to know more details about how to measure the sizes of the bag and the popular zippers, please subscribe to our channel and see more videos. In addition to above elements, we can help you put some add-ons on the bag. You can consider if you need tear notches, rounded or right corner, gusset, hanging hole, window on the bag. Besides, you can choose whether to put the aluminum foil inside the bag. The aluminum foil can better to help us prevent the light entering the bag. After watching the whole video, do you want to customize a bag with your own design? We can provide you with comprehensive packaging solution for consumer goods. If you have any interest, please contact me anytime. Bye.